can be the life for thee. We have Freightliners, Volvos, and more. If you go anywhere else, you're aboard. All our trucks are clean and tight, better than the mother guys. So smooth they shift right in front of your eyes. All the gears glide from 1 to 18, and even got the auto trans if you're into them. Big sleepers and small ones too. We have the right fit for you. We got the best trucks, don't wait for the next ones. We got the best trucks, come test us. We got the best, come test us. Whether you are local or long haul, we got you covered. With rigs that you dig and can show off to your mother. So don't waste your time with them other guys. Come on in and sign on the line. Our guy Pete will give you a t-shirt and pin. Now we know you'll be back again. We see you on the road making all that money, all because you bought a truck with nothing funny. Trucks from I-294 will make that bank account soar. We got the best trucks,